Chicken Basque. Really? That bug just went in there. Dude, now I can't have the rest of that broth and those little bit of onions. Oh, and he's getting braised. He died in the Basque bath. Well, serves you right, Dick. Hot, 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 hot. Oh, God, hot, hot, hot. You go there. All right. Tongs! Not you. Rejected. Where are you, Dutch oven? Go right there. Oh, I tested to see if it was hot with a little beer. And it is. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of oil in here. This is a job for, backwards. This is a job for, this is a job for welding glove. Can I get you more level? Please? We're doing a show here. Oh. Okay, it's hot. All right, we're gonna dredge the chicken in some flour, paprika, and salt and pepper. Oh God! You got what I need. You're leaning. We're gonna brown them and then flip them over, and then we're gonna take them out, and then we're gonna put the rest of the stuff in, and then we're gonna braise. Yep, not even close. I need some kindling. There we go. Chicken Basque. It's from the Basque region, southwestern France and northern Spain. It's a chicken dish and a tomato braise with olives. It's delicious. So much smoke. God. I'm gonna take these out and let them chill for a bit while we do the other business. Okay, you just sit over here. We put in all this delightfulness. It's the onions, the red peppers, and the Roma tomatoes. And don't beat me up, but I'm using this kind of garlic. It smells amazing. That's what everybody says. Oh, if you could smell that. That's true though. Not burning or anything, we're all good. An hour later and it's all burned. I'm gonna put a little chicken stock in. And we're gonna add our chicken back. You right in there. And you right there. Now we're gonna add a little bit of thyme. We're gonna add some olives. And then a couple Baileys. Oh, baby, no. Olive juice! We don't need a forest in there, I don't think. Well, maybe we do. Okay, those are all nestled. A little bit of sherry vinegar over everything. Where's my lid? Where's the lid, man? And then, I'm gonna add some coals to the top. That thing's just gonna do its business for, I'd say 40 minutes. Oh God, look at that. She's cooking away in there. Nice, exactly what I want. Keep our light source going. We'll have some light in a minute, or 30. Take a look. See what's going on. I don't want anything to burn. Hoo hoo. Hoo hoo hoo. Oh good, we're not burning on the bottom. Nobody's burning. The forest is looking good. Get a meat thermometer and check that out. Ho ho ho. Oh God. Done. Now I gotta take it off the fire and let it sit for like 6 hours because it's gonna be too hot to eat. Yeah. It's 1.5 billion degrees. So, how long does this battle go on for? Probably don't need that little bit of broth. Really? That bug just went in there. Dude, now I can't have the rest of that broth and those little bit of onions. Oh, and he's getting braised. He died in the Basque bath. Well, serves you right, Dick. The saltiness from those olives, fantastic. I love cooking rice also in chicken broth. Threw a little handful of butter in there. Cooked perfectly. Over duff travel. All right, you know what to do. Carry on. I got business to attend to.